Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows just because they're a little time consuming. And now I'm going to prime my eyes with my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with my AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette, and I'm going to take that brown shade and put that in my crease, and I'm going to take those other two shades and put those in my lids. Also, I added a rhinestone under each eye just because I wanted to add a little something to the eye look. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel this year, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. Now I'm using the Ioni Volume Cluster Dial Eyelashes, and I'm using the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. To make sure there's no gap showing where I put my lashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil, and I'm going to use my Essence Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base Face Primer. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector. To highlight, I'm using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer in Medium Warm, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Beauty Bay Bronzer in Chestnut. Next, I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just going to use that shade right there, orange shade for my blush, and use the other shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using my ABH lip primer, my Juvia's Place lip liner and brownie, and my LA Girl lipstick. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this bronze and light gold eyeshadow look. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted about my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. Also, share, like, and comment. I would love to hear from you all. And if you have any suggestions, definitely let me know, and I will do them. Anyway, I will see you on the next one. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.